Pin lệnh Jing Ya Seng. Are you going to church? Hỏi ngắn lệnh Yes, I shall go. Pin lệnh bắt nó With whom are you going? Ngắn lệnh bạn cái giếng dòng à. I shall go with my family. I shall go with my family. Kadan hamar hai. Where is it located? Kadan hajan hi. It is located nearby only. Yalam lang ya nga. Take me with you. Pin snow the nut. You won't feel nice